Good morning, this is Achraf Boutahiri and this is my channel dedicated to computer aided design. I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm going to show you an exercise under Catia. So under Sketcher, we're going to create exercise number 6. Okay, and we go inside our shop like this and we access to this shop. So this part that we are going to use is this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, so we need a symmetry by 5, so we can make just a quarter of this drawing. Okay, the first thing to do is to make the fourth axis like this, and to work just on a half of this sketch. Okay, so first step, we are going to create a circle here with a radius of radius here, exactly here, this small circle here. We have many circles, so we can create the outside circles. Okay, so just we go inside, define the center. We are okay from the center. So here we need just to define the radius. Okay, the first radius is 125. Okay, like this, from this point to this point. Same thing here, center, and the diameter will be 100. Which is a construction element from this axis to this axis. Okay, create this holder circle. Okay, and next we are going to create this circle here, the radius of 125. 75 millimeters. Okay, this is the center, and here we come create 75 millimeters, which will make 125 from this element to this element. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that we have our element here. Okay, so what we are going to do is to put here can use just to pull this radius to line here. Okay, and we come and we put an axis in the middle here, and we say that we have 45 degrees between this one and this one because we need it in the middle. Okay, 45 degrees. Why we need this one? Because we need to build this arch here. Okay, so here I bring this element here, and we need to create this circle, this holder circle. Okay, from here a segment, an element like this. Okay, so here I need just to get a coincidence with this axis like this, coincidence, and I need to bring this element inside this position. Okay, so the distance between these 2 points from this point to this point will be 60. Okay, 60, and what else? And radius is 10, so this small radius should be 10. This small radius is 10. sorry, 10. Okay, like this. Okay, it will make me an element like this, but it's still moving in this direction. So I need to say that I have a distance, or maybe the relation between this and this axis is a middle. Okay, horizontal vertical is the meter distance length. Okay, so we can say that I have a distance from this point, this axis to this axis, this point here of 30, which is the half. Okay, just in the middle. Okay, so what else? I need just this small circle here, and I can guess a relation between this circle here and the other dimensions. So checking from here, this is 45 degrees. Okay, and I have these circles in this part here. We have a circle like this. Where are my circles? Like this. So we have a circle right here in this position. Okay, so we can fix a tangency between these two elements like this, and we have our circle. Okay, we trim it here and here and here. Okay, and we define the constraint here, the radius of 25, and I make a symmetry on this axis like this. I hide all these constraints, okay, which make my element like this. And after that, I'm going to make a symmetry in I need just one more time to trim this element like this, and I need just to make a symmetry three times, or a rotation from this center here, from this center, and I have a full element here. So define constraints, and here I have my final sketch. Just it's over constrained. You need just to delete some details. Okay, make a lot of constraint to delete. It's over constrained, over constrained, over constrained. So put in constraint many times. We're going to see how to delete, to optimize your constraints step by step. Okay, it's over constrained. We're just going to optimize our constraints like this until it will get green. Okay, okay, so here we have final element like this, or you can show your constraints in the same time. You can build your item on it like this, and you have your final sketch like this.